So when I was in school and college, I used to wear kajal every single day, gel eyeliners and all that stuff every single day without fail. And then I got a really bad eye infection, and the eye specialist I consulted, she asked me to stop using it for a while, and she said that it has been caused because of the chemicals present in your kajal and liners, and it has sort of deposited on my lash line and has created this ruckus. I completely stopped using them for a really long time, and then because the nature of my job is makeup, so I started using them on and off, like once or twice in a quarter, like that. I was not regular with it, but now I can say that I can finally use kajals every single day if I feel like, because Inatur Herbals has launched organic kajals in not one, not two, but three different colors, and I'm super excited about it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you've already seen the intro, I am going to talk about the newly launched Inatur Herbals organic kajals, and I absolutely love the concept. These are natural, these doesn't have any sort of chemicals, and these are very affordable as well, and these have really good pigmentation as well, like one stroke and you're good to go. They're long lasting as well. They definitely do smudge a little by the end of the day, because these are organic and these doesn't have any sort of chemicals which are going to prolong the wear or make them absolutely smudge free. But I think they does the job really well for a really good long period of time as well, and I love that fact about it. I am so excited that I'm fumbling. Yeah, so I am really enjoying using these kajals. I've been using them for a really long time now, and I absolutely love the blue color. I think it's beautiful. Right now I'm wearing the brown kajal. I will show you two everyday eye looks as well, but before that, let's just talk a little bit about the packaging, the ingredients and pricing as well. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. It's a simple plain black cardboard box, and it has all the information available on the box itself, and the inner packaging is somewhat like this. It's a typical twisty tube of a kajal, and you open it like this, twist it up, and this is the kajal inside. So these kajals are made up of all natural ingredients, and these include carnauba wax, cocoa butter, castor oil, almond oil, coconut oil, and all of these ingredients have magical benefits for the skin and your eyes as well. Carnauba wax is basically to hold the product together, and it helps it retain its solid form, and it also has really nice moisturizing benefits as well. You get in total 3.5 grams of product, and the shelf life is 2 years. This also claims to hydrate and nourish your eyes, and these are very soft and creamy with respect to formula. While these are suitable for all eye types, these are especially great for dry eyes, and it also contains retinol, vitamin E and K, and this does not contain parabens, silicon, any sort of lead, mineral oil or petroleum, and these are 100% vegan and cruelty free, which also makes it a great product to have it in your kit. So as I've already told you, Inatur has launched these kajals in three different shades. One is the classic black, another one is a beautiful blue, and the third one is a brown, which is dense and deep, but it's again very beautiful. I'm already wearing it on my eyes right now. So let me just swatch each one of them for you, and then I'll start with the two everyday looks that I've created for you. I hoped you like it, and if you did, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I'm here on YouTube. And if you want me to specifically review some product, do let me know in the comments below. I will see you way soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.